So we changed our route today. So we're hitting this target first, trying to see if we can hit that Back to the Future theme transport. So let's go. All right, let's see what's on the pegs. Oh, they have nothing. They just have this guy. The Toyota's gone. We were hoping for the Toyota. We were hoping for the Toyota. Toyota Back to the Future is gone. Somebody hit it hard. Got early. So it's this guy, Valvoline, and it's that guy. Doesn't have the sticker. There's nothing on the cartoon. All right, gotta go. I think they're done. We're done. All right, we're hunting in Walmart. Let's go. Oh, there's a collector here. Oh no. I don't think he found anything. He just left. He just looked at the board and I don't think we're gonna find anything because he didn't have anything on his hand. We're right. They only brought this thing and that's it. Nothing else. Yep. There's nothing. Yep, somebody was here. They didn't pick up. They didn't pick up. Oh my god. They didn't pick up this, guys. They've been living that. Okay, so we're looking at PK's. Man, this Walmart's not up to date. Let me check. See if they have anything on the U-boat. Hawaiian packs. Flatline. Bumblebee. Alpha Trion. Oh, look at this guy. A Transformer helmet, NFL. Whoa. But it's the Steelers. Who wants the Steelers when you're in LA? What the hey? Who thought of that idea? Coming to LA with the Steelers. Sorry, no offense to those who are Steelers fan. Why would you sell them in LA? Well, I guess maybe they do have Steelers here in California. So, all right. There's nothing else. Time to go. I just witnessed people lining up for the Trader Joe's bag outside Trader Joe's, and they were grabbing a lot of those small tote bags. That's crazy. I mean, the ones that are expensive are the big ones. Anyways, back to the regular programming. So on this Target, the other day, we witnessed, and I caught it on video, where a Target employee had a handful of Hot Wheels on his hand. It's these two guys right here. It's those two guys. They were, I'm not sure if it's a Target employee, but he was holding a handful of Hot Wheels and they just left. So, I don't know, maybe they didn't see anything. Alright. Let's see what's going on with the pegs. I just saw the two collectors, they just left, so maybe they didn't see anything. Well, they did drop this guy. Is there any chase? Nope. Oh, everything's dropping. So they didn't see anything, it looks like. They picked through this Hot Wheel box, Hot Wheel bins. Yeah. So they didn't see anything. It's all gone. So this is a Corvair from what I saw. This is a Corvair. And there's a Team Transport Corvair. So this is a modified Bear Strike is a modified Corvair. I'm not sure if we should pick this up and pick up the Team Transport as well. Alright, we did see some people picking up new 5-packs that are out, like this Mopar. This is a new 5-pack Mopar. Oh no, it's not. I think I may have seen this before, because I'm seeing like this one is new. Oh, there it is. This is the new Hot Wheel Torque. So that's that. What else is here? What else do we have here? Some mud studs. So they do have new 5-packs. I'm gonna open one of those 5-packs. I'm gonna open one of these guys to check on this one. If the base is still, if it's the same as the carded one, single carded one. I have a 5-pack. I'm gonna open that guy. So I think that's it. You have a Hot Wheel Morris roll back here, and they're not picking it up. Oops. So let me go through this. I don't think there's anything new, but we'll still check. Is the B case? Alright. So there wasn't anything on that bin. So we're gonna have to go to another store and check out their pegs. Alright, let's go. Oh, that guy came back. Why? Why did he go back? Let's follow him. Let's do a secret spy mission. Why did that guy go back? I know he's a collector. Was he told to go back? Let's see. Let's do some spying. Oh, he went to the video game. But why though? Why did he go to the video game? Alright, well, I guess, is he waiting for something? Wait for it, let's see what he's gonna do next. I think that collector has some employee contacts in the store. Ugh, it's everywhere, guys. Collectors having contacts inside Target. Ugh, that sucks. Can't win them all. Yeah, it's not. It's how the game is played. If you want to play fair, you just have to be first before that guy. So, all right, time to go. I don't want to waste my time doing that. So we saw people coming out of this Trader Joe's buying a handful of totes. Those Trader Joe totes. So let's go and check out what's happening here. Let's go. Right. I'm not sure when. Do you have the bigger ones? No. Not yet. Alright, thank you. So they have those bags. So that's why people were lining up. So, so people were going after that little mini tote bag from Trader Joe's. That's why they were lining up. So yeah, we just got curious and see what was happening. There was a long line outside. Huh. That's funny. It's okay, so we strayed a little further than where we usually go as far as Target is concerned. So we're gonna check out their store and see what's on their pegs. Let's see if there's a lot of collectors in this area. So far so good. I'm seeing a lot more castings here. When you see an NSX, it's a good sign. Alright, so let's go ahead and keep checking and see what we can find. See? There's more selection here. Alright. What did they drop today? Whoa. Somebody messed up. Look at this. Okay, maybe we're in the wrong store. They do have some people doing this crap. A Koenigsegg with the what the hell is this? What kind of car is this? A Subi? Somebody put a Subi. What is that? Is that a Subi? Huh. Alright, we're gonna check this bin to see if there's anything. It doesn't look promising, but we'll check it. Oh, I thought I saw a collector coming in, so let me go check this bin quickly before some people come in. So this store is a mix of A, B, C, and E, and it's off a beaten path where I usually go, and it looks like it's been hit. And I don't see any sign of F case though. That's for sure. All right, I think it's time to hit the road. I just saw a grocery store. It's an equivalent of Kroger, a sister company of Kroger here in California. So I'm gonna check that out. All right, time to go. Just spotted their bin. Let me go through this bin and see if there's anything nice to look at. So we did see this guy, Optimus Prime, but the card's messed up. But we are going to open this one anyways. It's a good set. I'm gonna let my son open this guy. That's it though. There's nothing here. I'm gonna check that bin. Big Dipper. There's nothing inside of it, but Easter Hot Wheels. Alright, we gotta go. And by the way, yeah, this store is off the beaten path for me. So it looks like there are collectors here as well. It's not a good honey hole to go to, especially if it's this far. Alright, time to go. Alright, so we haven't seen this Thunderbird being driven that often. Oldsmobile Thunderbird. Alright, we went to our local Kroger, or Albertson, which is a sister company of Kroger, and let's see if they have anything as far as Hot Wheels is concerned. So let's go ask an employee. So their toy section is very small here. It's not as big as the other stores. Yeah, it's not that huge. Not seeing anything at all here. All they have is these guys, and that's it. Alright, let me... Oh, there it is. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let me go check the pegs and the bin. Yeah, it looks like it's an international case. Man, we're gonna have a hard problem figuring out what they are. Unless we saw something that's very, similar to what other cases have. So I suspect that this is, what case is this? I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't have a reference for castings. It would tell me what case this is, and I don't think it's fresh based on what I've seen so far. Yeah, it's not fresh. Yep, it's not fresh. I think I'm gonna skip this going through the bin. It doesn't look like it's fresh. It's a very, very old. It's deep. And there's nothing new. I don't see any cards that are. I think this place has been picked. Yep. I'm not gonna go through it. Alright, time to go. The much awaited Pokemon vending machine. That's crazy. Look at this. We have a Pokemon vending machine. That's crazy. Alright, let me take a picture of this guy and stand back. Let me sold out. Sold out. Ooh, $49.99. Sold out. The hell? Everything's sold out. Sold out.
Any luck?
It's sold out.
Yeah.
I mean, this is my first time seeing this though.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've never seen anywhere else.
Yeah, they have it here, and then is it Vaughn's right there on Foothill and Euclid.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you go on your phone, type in Pokemon vending, it will show you where they're all at.
Just Google it?
Huh?
Just Google it?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
is there an
it'll
app
say-
for
it'll say
Albertson?
Pokemon vending on there, and
Uh-huh.
then you can see where all the vending machines are. What are you doing here?
Everything's sold out. Everything is sold out.
That's how it's
This is, oh wait, that's sold out. This is crazy, $49.99 for this guy, and it's being sold at GameStop for more than $200. Eeh. So this one's all sold out. How do you want to reorder?
They come and fill it up like on Fridays.
On Fridays?
I think so. I mean, it could be any day, but typically it's on Fridays. I mean, that's what somebody told me anyway.
Yeah, this one's crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I've never seen these in the big ones. I've never seen those. I've only seen the small ones in here, and it's very rare.
And even this guy, the Evolution?
No, so I've only seen that one once. This one once.
What about this guy?
That one, no. These, and then the loose packs, like the single packs.
Uh-huh.
I see those are the most common ones. But as far as everything else, it's like I feel like there's somebody in here in the morning that sits here, does some kind of code, drains it all, and leaves. Because it's always the same.
Yeah. Well, it's good to know this thing, they have it here.
Yeah, but like I said, they have one here. They have one at Vaughn's. The next one is Ralph's on Foothill and Cherry. Then they have one at Walmart. You know where Walmart's at on Foothill?
Yeah.
So you got Food for Less, Winco, and I'm not sure where the other ones are, but yeah, kind of all over.
All right, good to know. What's your name?
Andrew.
Norman. Nice to meet you. All right, take care.
All right.
Thank you. All Alright, that's good information to know. Alright, we haven't been to this Walmart in quite some time. So we're gonna check their pegs and see what surprise they have for us. So let's go. Oh, they moved the tower. The tower, Hot Wheels tower, why did they move it? But it doesn't look like it's fresh. It doesn't look fresh. Oh, what did they drop? Oh, they dropped an F case here. Hey. So they did drop an F case here. Alright, time to check the pegs. Alright, let's see what they have. What do we have? A case. My goodness. These are all castings. Like I said, Walmart keeps going back, not going forward. A and B case. I'll check that later on. That's nuts. What do we have here?
Across the country, in every aisle.
Right.
This is the Walmart Broadcasting Network.
Oh, they dropped these guys, the Fast and Furious ones. So apparently maybe they're dropping a lot of this set. I'm seeing a lot of this Barbie set and the Porsche. I wonder if I can find the freaking Ferrari. Oh, sorry. The RX-7. There's a lot of lichens. Let's see if we can find the RX-7 in the wild. I don't see anything green. It's all lichens. It's all lichens. It doesn't look promising. I mean, the pics are full. Why, that's it. Myers Minx and the Pajero. Oh. So what else do we have here? So what's the chase? There's no chase on this one. Oh boy. Alright, this doesn't look like it's gonna be anything. Oh, what's this guy? How's the box type Mustang GT 88? What else do they have? Oh, that's it. What? Their green lights are always empty. They're not that full. Alright, I think it's time. There's nothing here. I was hoping to see a RX-7 drop. There will be a kicker though, to find that RX-7 in the wild all by its lonesome, or maybe any of the chase, Fast and Furious chase. Alright, time to go. Alright, we normally don't go to this Dollar Tree, but let's see what's on their pegs. Let's check it out. Oh, they have 5-packs. Alright, well, let's see if they restock. Alright, let's go. Check their pegs. What's on their pegs? And it's nothing. So what did they get? E-case. So they got an E-case here, and someone probably got lucky. Doesn't look like it's full. Let's see if there's any super chase. We haven't been seeing a lot of super chase lately. So I think on this new wave of Matchbox, the super chase is really scarce. I've seen people getting the Porsche super chase, but that's about it. What's this guy? Yeah. So this guy. All right, there's nothing here. Time to go. All right, we're checking. We went to Walmart. Ooh, damn! Look at this. They dropped this guy. What? What? Oh no! Are we late? Ah, gosh darn it! We are freaking late. And they dropped it. Oh, they dropped the new premiums. Oh my goodness. The day that we didn't go, they dropped it. Oh, man, that sucks. Well. That's not cool. And that's a shame. They dropped the Fast and Furious set here. And they even took. So what are we missing here? What's going on? Oh, they took the truck. Huh. Oh boy. So this one's begging to be opened. So we're gonna crack this guy. Yep. We're gonna open this guy. It's already bent up. Alright. RX-7 is eluding us. So let's go. Alright, we went another target. Let's go hunt. Let's see, nothing is on the Pokemon stuff. Alright, let's go. Oh no, I hear collectors.
This way, guys, this way. This way. Sorry, excuse me.
Let's see. God, it looks like it's a fresh stock. Let's go. Looks like it's a fresh drop. So let's see. It's an F case.
No.
It's a drop. It's a fresh case. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything here. Alright, let me go to the bin. They got the Prelude. I got beat. So this gentleman got the Prelude. So we're gonna let them have it. Oh well. And they were able to get the Chase combo or combi and the Datsun 510. So that's okay. Can't find a Honda Civic though. Oh, this is what I was gonna say. This one in the Corvair. Where's the Corvair? Let me see if I can find the Corvair. So the Corvair. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on. Oh, here we go. So this guy is a modified Corvair. Those two. So we have a mainline modified Corvair and the premium. So that's what I was going to show. We finally found the TH from the F case. We're not lucky on this Honda Civic. The only Honda Civic we got is the green one. And the gentleman earlier got the Prelude. So I thought they were gonna just leave it. But that's the name of the game. Whoever first gets it. Alright, time to go. Alright, let's see if this target is full or not. Let's check their pegs. If their pegs are not there, man, they've been going for a good a month now without anything on their pegs. And looks very, very empty. Eesh. Yeah. Very bare. Alright. Oh, well, they did have one. What case is this? Oh, it's a big case. That was it. Nothing. We're gonna ask. We're gonna ask. Alright. Was it the young lady? The boss?
Cassandra.
You used to have a box of Hot Wheels this week?
Hot Wheels?
Yes.
There's no one stocking toys right now, so there's no way of us to know if we got any Hot Wheels. Once we are stocking them, then that's when we will be able to see every house.
I see. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, sorry.
Alright, thank you. Okay, the problem with this store is they don't have enough people. Alright, time to go. Let's see if they have any Hot Wheels in this region. Oh, they're very, very, no, not much. They don't have any. Yep, it's dry. Alright, time to go.